I'm Karina from Knit Indulgence, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the center double decrease in triple knitting. Now for this there's going to be a lot of information, so if you need to pause, rewind, go ahead and do that until you understand all the concepts that we are covering here. So to do a center double decrease, we will have to work with 3 sets of stitches, and that would be a total of 9 stitches. So what we need to do is we need to rearrange our stitches so we can work with the top layer, the middle layer, and the bottom layer separately. So to do that, the first step is to put your right hand needle into the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th stitch of your left hand needle. Pinch your work and pull that needle out, and then catch all of those loose stitches in the back, and then transfer those 3 stitches onto your left hand needle so we can work with the top layer first. The first thing we are going to do to work the decrease for the top layer is we are going to slip 2 stitches together knitwise, and then we're going to slip this stitch again knitwise onto the right hand needle. Then we're going to transfer all 3 of these stitches back to the left hand needle purlwise, and then we're going to knit 3 together through the back loops. Get our yarn here. I'm a little tangled, but it happens sometimes. There we go. And then we're going to bring our yarn to the front. Now we need to rearrange our stitches so we can work with the middle layer. So we're going to stick our right hand needle into the 1st, the 3rd, and the 5th stitch on the left hand needle. Pinch our work, pull that out, catch those loose stitches in the back here with our left hand needle, and then transfer all 3 of those stitches back to the left hand needle so we can work with the middle layer. Now this decrease is going to be worked exactly the same as the first decrease because we are on a KKP row or an outward row. If we were working on a KPP row or a return row, the middle layer would be worked the same as the back layer. But since this is a KKP row, we're going to do the exact same thing as we just did. We are going to slip 2 stitches together knitwise, slip the 3rd stitch knitwise, transfer all those stitches back to the left hand needle purlwise, and then knit all 3 together in the back loops. Properly, there we go, and then bring our yarn to the front. So now we have worked the top and middle layer. Now we don't need to rearrange any more stitches to work the back layer. As you can see, they're there, they're waiting for us. But what we do need to do is we need to remount the stitches before we can work the decrease. So what you need to do is slip all 3 stitches one at a time knitwise onto the right hand needle. So 1, 2, 3. And then you can just transfer them all back onto the left hand needle purlwise, just like that. Now we're ready to work our decrease. So what we're going to do, we're just going to bring this yarn to the front so it's ready for us. We're going to slip 2 stitches together purlwise through the back loops. So that's coming around 2 stitches purlwise through the back loops onto the right hand needle, and then slip 1 stitch purlwise through the back loops onto the right hand needle, just like that, and then transfer all 3 of those stitches back to the left hand needle purlwise, and then all you need to do then is just purl all 3 together. bring our yarns to the back. And that's how you do the center double decrease in triple knitting. I hope you had fun learning with me today. As you can see, that's a lot of information to cover, so feel free to go back, rewatch, and relearn and practice on a swatch and have fun. The best thing about triple knitting is there's always something new to discover.